So as we start on that day, we go through with several points. Gandhiji returned from South Africa, 1915, successfully launched three movements. Then Roller Tech was passed. Against Roller Tech, Roller Satyagraha Sabha was formed. When Roller Satyagraha Sabha was working, Jallianwala Bagh incident was happened. A great tragedy for everyone. After that, just after that Jallianwala Bagh tragedy, a new thing emerged, and the thing was non-cooperation movement. First time in the Indian history, cooperative Gandhiji become non-cooperative. Gandhiji urged, request all the people to do fast prayer against the mighty. Movement was going so smoothly. Even this movement create an environment, a good environment among all the people. This movement introduced Hindu-Muslim unity. This movement introduced Hindu-Muslim unity. This movement introduced the first thing that was Khadi, our own, believed in our own feelings. We are not believing. We start believing in ourselves with this movement, with the advancement of this movement, that we can fight against the British rule. Okay. Then unfortunately there was an incident in Chori Chora. After that, Gandhiji withdrew the movement. Then 6 year imprisonment for Gandhiji. After that, at the same time, Montagu-Chelmsford reform was also introduced, and there was a limit in Montagu-Chelmsford reform. After every 10 years, they can send an observer commission. The observation commission was sent. So in that situation, in 1927-28, Simon Commission was sent. Sir John Simon come and select 7 members, all from British community. So it was popularly known as Whiteman Commission. In this Whiteman Commission, when Lala Lajpat Rai started protesting against it and badly injured by the Sergeant Sanders, at that time the Indian people hated the movement. They believed that go back Simon. They welcomed the Simon Commission with black flags. It was written go back Simon. Simon Commission, go back. So in this situation, a Nehru report was submitted by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's father, Motilal Nehru. He drafted, and the draft was very simple. It was for self-government, that Britishers should allow all the Indians, that they can do whatever they want, or hand over the ruling formation to Indians. Is that clear? Then afterwards, in Lahore session, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru declared, our aim is complete independence, Purna Swaraj. First time this word was used. On 26 January 1930, we celebrated Purna Swaraj Day. That's why after independence, we selected the same day as Republic Day. Is that clear to everyone? Yes, sir. Now, moving further. Civil disobedience movement. Start writing. Dandi March. On 12th March 1930, Gandhiji start his famous Dandi March from Sabarmati to Dandi with 78 trusted followers, traveled approximately 300 kilometers and break the salt law. This was the beginning of civil disobedience movement. This was the beginning of civil disobedience movement. Full stop. Remember one thing, that there was a rule introduced by Britishers that above the age of 7 years have to pay salt tax. Salt is the commodity. It was equally used by poor and rich. Sugar can be used in different ways, but salt cannot be used in different ways. For example, if the person is earning more than 1 lakh rupees, he cannot use one 5 or 6 teaspoon of salt in a particular plate or dish. You can use sugar, you can add sugar more, but you can't add salt. It is equally important for poor and rich. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि जैसे कोई अमीर आदमी है तो 2-4 मुट्ठी भर के उसके अंदर क्या डाल देगा, नमक डाल देगा, खा नहीं सकता, मॉनिटेबल हो जाएगा। और ऐसा भी नहीं हो सकता कि कोई गरीब आदमी है तो वो चुटकी भर भी नहीं डाल पाए। तो गांधी जी ने क्या कहा, what was the request of Mahatma Gandhi, that the salt law should be abolished. You permit the people who were living near the coastal area to collect the salt, but Britishers refused. Gandhi ji start Dandi March and break the salt law. So Gandhi ji start this Dandi March. Program of the movement: as usual as it was in non-cooperation movement, only one addition was against salt law. Add this one. Okay. Difference between non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement. Difference between non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement. Civil disobedience movement was different from non-cooperation movement. Civil disobedience movement was different from non-cooperation movement in the way this movement violated different kind of revenue laws. Revenue laws, different Kisan Sabhas were formed Now this was different. Why it was different? In non-cooperation movement, when we start first, in civil disobedience movement, Gandhiji chose sword. So it was the medium of each and everyone's approach, because sword was used by everyone. So the first thing which Gandhiji urged people, that you have to start boycotting British schools, college, British authorities, goods, liquor shop, everything which is related to the Britishers, you have to oppose it, boycott it. But the failure was that we are not providing any alternative source. If we request that leave the school of Britishers, okay, agreed. But what happened when you leave the school? There is an alternative source. One Indian school is there, but the Indian schools were not there. College, we agreed. Jobs, we agreed. But we are not providing alternative source. That was the major reason of the failure. Remember this thing? Why these movements failed? We are not providing any alternative source. We request the people to leave the job. And it is our duty to provide the job. But we failed. When we failed, it created the problem for ourselves. So why it was different, and symbolic representation of females. Write down this one also. In this movement, females also participated wholeheartedly during protestation, peaceful gathering, okay. Next, Gandhi-Irvin Pact. Gandhi-Irvin Pact. Gandhi-Irvin Pact. IRWAN. Irvin. Historical Gandhi-Irvin Pact was signed on 5th March 1931 Through this, Gandhiji agreed to take part in second round table conference. Round table conference. Number one, first point of the pact, first, to release all political prisoners, bracket and write down, except those found guilty of violence. What was the Gandhiji's request? To release all political prisoners. इसका मतलब क्या था बेटा, कि जितने भी political prisoners हैं जो बंद कर रखे हैं ब्रिटिशर्स ने, उनको छोड़ दो. किनको छोड़कर? जिन्होंने वायलेंस की उनको मत छोड़ो. तो बार बार आपका क्वेश्चन आता है ना कि गांधी जी ने भगत सिंह के लिए पैरवी क्यों नहीं करी? It is a common question asked by frequently the students ask me. Sir, Gandhi ji was not a good person. If he want to change, he can change this one. Why? Answer is क्या लिखा उन्होंने? वायलेंस नहीं होनी चाहिए. पाथ क्या था? पीस. नहीं तो 1919 में आ जाता, 1922 में भी हो जाता. पीसफुल, नो वायलेंस. जब आप वायलेंस करोगे तो रिवर्ट में क्या मिलेगा? वायलेंस मिलेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि ब्रिटिशर्स है ना, बहुत ओपन फायर कर सकते हैं. ये उन्होंने. सेकंड, gave back the property to the people those were not found guilty in violence. Those were not found guilty in violence. Allow Indians to protest against. Allow Indians to protest against foreign cloth shops and liquor shops. Cloth shops and liquor shops. Fourth point, permit such people to manufacture sold those were lived near seashore. Those were lived near seashore. Okay. Now this was the pact which was signed between Mahatma Gandhi and Irving. Gandhi ji agreed to reach in round table conference communal award in 1932. Prime Minister Mr. MacDonald gave his award known as the Communal Award according to it. Separate representation was to be provided not only for the Muslims, Sikh, Christian, and Anglo-Indians, but also for the depressed class their representatives were to be elected from special constituencies in which voters belonging to the depressed class only could vote. only could vote. Underline this line. बेटा इसका मतलब ये है कि सेपरेटाइजेशन तो किया जो किया, जिस कॉलोनी से जो कैंडिडेट खड़ा होगा उसकी कास्ट के लोग ही वोट करेंगे उसको. गांधी जी अपोज दिस, but this was accepted by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. This award was accepted by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Pune Pact. Gandhi ji was in jail and he was very much shocked with this award. Gandhi ji had a talk with Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and as a result Pune Pact was signed. According to this, Congress provide seats for ST and SC. Now, this was your chapter.